Did you know that most college applications open August 1st? Depending on when you're watching this, that means there is 2 months or less for your child to prepare for the upcoming college application season. And that's why I'm hosting an admission application boot camp on Wednesday, June 14th and Thursday, June 15th at the Dole in Crystal Lake. My name is Jackie, and I'm an independent college counselor. I've been guiding families through higher education decisions for the past 11 years. In my 2-day workshop, your student will learn how to get organized for the upcoming college application season and complete 80% of their college applications before they even open. This sets them up for success and gives them better chances for admission and for scholarships. By the end of this informative and uplifting workshop, your child will walk away with valuable skills, resources, most of the college applications completed, and confidence for their senior year. If you're wanting to give your child a head start in preparing for their future, check out all the details in my Eventbrite page, and if you sign up early, you'll receive $50 off using code EARLYBIRD. I hope to help your child in their college application journey. Thanks so much for listening.